Hey, oh my God! Hey, get me out of this car! Oh my God!
Yeah, I just smoked that M8. I swear, ask me.
He saw an M8 and started racing him on Sunset.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8-day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I've been winning on the.
Okay guys, so I got the 2021 BMW X6 competition. One of my favorite SUVs. They say it's so far it's number one SUV, it's fastest SUV. Is faster than the Urus. So this car is like fully loaded. I have power and wheel consult system. It's optional, not everyone has it. I have carbon fiber, this piece. I think this one's kind of, but still optional, I think.
No crystal shifter though.
No, with this car, with M's, you don't get a crystal shifter. You get the special shifter. This comes only on the M. Can
you swap it out?
I don't think so, you can. I have a sport exhaust, that's optional. Optional, I got it. I'm gonna do the first thing I'm gonna do. I wanna get a wheels, drop the vehicle, and do a muffler. And then in the future, I'm gonna tune it so I can pass Urus's big. So they say this is faster than the Urus. There's the videos, this one passes Urus, but they're all stock.
So you already sold your M850i?
Yes, sir. This thing's like gas, it's fucked up.
Price you pay for a Urus killer.
Yeah, that's a Urus killer.
Did she yell at you?
Yeah, she was yelling at me. Hey, look, there's a M8 competition. Look at the M8.
Will you smoke them?
Maybe. It depends on the driver.
Hey losers, mine is much better. I have an M8 competition.
Where did you get your driver license? Home Depot?
I got my driver's license at the DMV. Sarkis, nice car.
Which one has more horsepower?
Horsepower is the same.
But that car's lighter.
Yeah, that car is lighter. That car does 0 to 60 3.2 seconds. This one 3.4 seconds. It is.
Sarkis, I won! Sarkis, I won!
Hey,
yes!
why the car is not launching? I don't get it.
Out of everybody, it was Moses to defeat Sarkis.
Yeah, that's it, no more. You have to tune your car, tune.
Yeah, I know.
I love it! Why you say shut up? I'm working and just thing and you say shut up. I'll be happy because I like to destroy all the stuff. And you say shut up.
Next time, when you're designing a bumper is what we are doing, right? We're making a bumper.
Supposed to be your
Don't
mic.
print a tiny picture of it.
Hey, I don't want to say name, but I asked him your partner. I tell him I need a big picture. He say, "Oh, the picture you send me is all the what I can do."
So you could build a bumper, but you can't print a picture of a bumper.
Who printed it, Sarkis?
No, mano. Oh, I say the name. Oh.
What we're doing here is making a bumper. We bought this bumper. It's another bumper entirely. It's going on Chris Brown's Mustang, Shelby GT500 Widebody. The bumper is no longer available for his car, so the whole front bumper is torn apart and we have to fix it. So we bought another bumper for another Mustang, which is not what it's for. And we are custom creating it to make it look like kind of the old one and match it to the wide body. So we're going to be wide bodying this out. We're going to be, as you can see, opening up more vents. And yeah, we're getting there. So I'm about 90% done with it. I'm letting Luis do like the little light, like sound work and stuff.
Little stuff.
So
like always.
yeah, so keep up doing what I told you to do. And yeah, hurry up.
But hey, I need you here.
No,
Doing the
I
stuff,
already did
no.
all that stuff. So now it's your turn.
Now I work on this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Este vato, man. Este vato, man.
What lowrider?
This is lowrider.
What do you
It
mean
is.
lowrider? How is this car a lowrider? This is a new Maybach, but what do you mean lowrider?
He's on YouTube. Hey, why are you searching Maybach up down? Maybach up down. It gave the cheapest price and the most expensive price.
We have a beautiful two-tone Maybach here. This car is finished regarding the wrap. We're waiting for a new tire. The loudest ones always pass right in front of our shop. I don't know why. We have a two-tone Maybach. This thing's finished. We're waiting for a brand new tire right now. It's on the way. We should have it here soon. Santos has it ready. Maybe around 10-15 minutes we'll be done. And then we're gonna take this thing out so we can shoot it. We have two Maybachs here. There's another one. Let's get to that real quick too, because I love this car. It's a new one. You guys see this? This thing already came for a bad tire. There's 23s on this car. 23-inch tires, Pirellis, 325 ton. It's so hard to get a hold of these tires. Not at RDB. We have it. These two will be knocked out very quick.
Alright guys, we got this 2019 Mercedes Maybach sedan right here. We got the SUV in today, which is pretty cool. This one was silver. We wrapped it red at one point, and it was like white and black. And now it's actually this beautiful ivory, which is kind of like an off-white color, and this midnight blue color. The blue is very, very dark. Right now the sun is setting slowly, so it's not really going to show too blue. It's going to look almost black, but there's a lot of blue in there. And this is the ivory color that you guys are not used to us doing. We do a little bit of darker version. This is a little bit lighter version of those sand or tan colors. Other than that, it's pretty much a bone stock Maybach. We fixed a few things on this car, the front bumper, the rear bumper, little wear and tear stuff. We painted it, so that's all back to normal. Had a one tire problem, we changed the tire too. It got 3 services in one place and never left the shop. It was all done in-house. But yeah, this is a super fire Maybach. I haven't seen this combination before, and I think it looks stunning.
This one's thickest.
It's good.
Yeah, it's big.
BOT?
Yeah, Vicky give it to me.
And you got the snap-on?
Snap on. Yeah. Firme house.
Looks good.
All freaking gray. Gray t-shirt, gray pants, gray shoes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What do you think you're doing? Play like a baby? Play with the little kids? What do you say?
Just ask for them.
What do you say?
I didn't say nothing to him.
Nothing?
Nothing, man.
He say he told you nothing.
What did he say? I didn't say anything. What did he say?
Ape, please. Please. Relax.
This fucking ass is not a kid.
Hey, man.
Stay like kid.
Don't point at me like that. Don't point at me.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to look for spacers and a link for my car. We have some here. Oh shit, I think it's here.
You're never at work after 6. All of a sudden, you're in the back of the shop after 6 o'clock.
I'm
What are
just
you
trying
doing?
to put everything together.
What?
This thing's like, they messed it up, so I'm just putting it together.
This has something to do with your car for sure.
No. Yeah, kind of, yeah. You don't want to go home? Let's leave.
First of all, check out his shirt. This is February's shirt. We're almost out of stock, so get on there. Comes with an air freshener and a sticker of the McLaren. Secondly, he wants to lower his car. That's why he's here. He's looking for lowering links. He has no idea what they look like even. So I don't know what he's looking for. He also wants RDB wheels. And the RDB wheels are not cheap. We don't get them for free. We have very expensive material, CNC machines, a lot of people involved, designing, all that stuff. So I tell him, you know, you can pay costs, whatever, and he wants to make payments on it. Again, very bad financial idea.
Guys, if you guys think I should deserve have a payment, I think that's fair enough, no?
No.
You're
You're not going to live your life doing payments on everything. Unless they were towards like a house, property, something like that.
Look, this is for a business too. So
No,
I'm
it's
going to
not.
have RDB
No, it's
wheels.
not.
People are going to ask me, where did you get these wheels? RDB.
If I talked to you on the street and you tried to sell me something, I would never buy it.
But it will sell itself. So what about if you get 10,000 likes? I can get the wheels and I can finance it for
No,
36 months.
10,000 is way too small for us. 50,000 likes on this YouTube video, and I'll consider doing payment plan for you.
36 months.
Oh my god.
Fair enough.
You're not gonna be here for
50,000.
that long, man.
Okay, people will give you.
Okay, fine, but I'm gonna write a legit financial paperwork.
Sure.
So if you missed any payments, whatever,
Collection.
I could do all this kind of stuff.
Okay, no problem. So I have to get 50,000 likes in this video, and if I do, I'm gonna get the wheels, lower my car, and I get a 36 months financial.
I'm already gonna lower your car. I don't care about that.
Okay, so we're gonna get 36 months financial.
That's a long time.
It's a car payment.
Whatever. I didn't say tires.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long?